Good morning, everyone. I wish a wonderful day for you. We are moving to our unit number 6, adding without adding. The first section is birthday. Today is Manu's birthday. 5 packets of milk were bought to make payasam. The price of one packet is 18 rupees. What is the total price? How do we find it? Look, there are two children. Write 5, 8 and add. One of them is saying 18 is added by 5 times. And another one is saying multiply 18 by 5. While multiplying 18 with 5, we get the same result there. That is, instead of adding a number again and again, we can multiply by the number of times it is repeated there. Okay, the explanation is given there. You can see there. Then suppose instead of 5 packets of milk, 12 packets of milk were brought. We want to multiply 12 with 18 in order to get the total. Instead of 5, we replace the value there 12. Okay. Then the next section is gift. Manu's friends gave a dozen color pens as gift. The price of one pen is 26 rupees. How much did they spend to buy the pens? Here also we need to find out the total. The one dozen means 12. So we want to multiply 26 with 12. And we get the result 312. They are explained in 2 ways. You can see it. This is the question. 3 kilogram of sugar were brought to make payasam. The price of 1 kilogram of sugar is 34 rupees. What is the total? We want to find out the total cost there. So, total kilogram, kg means kilogram. It is 3 kilogram. Okay, price of 1 kilogram is, it is given there, it's 34. Price of 1 kilogram, it's 34 rupees. Then we need to find out total cost. So total cost or total rupees is when we get by multiplying 34 with 3 or adding 34 3 times. 34 plus 34 plus 34. That is, this is for 1 kilo, this is 2, this is 3. This can be simply written as 34 multiplied by 3. When we multiply 34 with 3, 4 3s are 12. Carry with 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 102 rupees is the total cost. Moving to the next problem. 1 packet of vermicelli cost 24 rupees. 1 packet cost 24 rupees. And how much do 6 packets cost? 1 packet cost is 24 rupees. Then we need to, how much packets are there? Here total packets are 6. Then we need to find out the total cost, same as the early discussed problem. 24 multiplied by 6. 24 is the cost of 1 packet. For 6 packet, 24 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 with carry 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 114 rupees. Moving to the next one. Manu bought 7 cakes for his friends. The price of a cake is 89 rupees. He gave 700 rupee note. How much will he get back? Manu bought 7 cakes. How much cakes he bought? 7 cakes. Okay. Then cost of a cake is 89. For 1 cake it is 89 rupees. So how much is for 7 cake? So total cost for 7 cakes, it is when we get the product of 89 multiplied with 7, 623. Then Here the question is, he gave 700 rupees. He gave 700 rupees, which means 700. Then we want to find out how much will he get back. So he get back, we get by subtracting 700 with 623. Here we need to find out how much the shopkeeper will return to him. So he get back 77 rupees by the shopkeeper. Next we are discussing the problem in our textbook circus. Here you can see the ticket rates. In first class, adult ticket rate is 45 and children is 25. Then gallery bench, adult is 30 rupees, children is just 15 rupees. Okay, then we are moving to our first question. Manu and friends went to circus. They bought 13 first class ticket. How much first class? 13 first class ticket. Then each of us 25 rupees. That is, for one ticket it is 25 rupees. How much did they spend? How much did they spend? This is the question 1. By multiplying 13 with 25, we get the result. That is 325. By multiplying 13 with 25, we get 325 rupees that they spent. This is the first question on that section. Then the next one is 120 first class tickets were sold. Of these, 21 were children's ticket. How much did they get from children's ticket? From our question, how much tickets sold out? Total 120 tickets were sold out in first class. In that, 21 were children's. Then we want to find out total children's ticket rate by multiplying 21 into 25. We get 525 rupees. Then the next one, how much adult tickets? Total tickets is 120. Then from them, 21 tickets were children. By subtracting 120 with 21, we get 99. This is the total number of adult tickets. Total cost get by multiplying 99 with 45 rupees. Okay. This is the next one. Total from 132 gallery tickets were sold out. Of these, 50 were children's ticket. We want to find out how much in all from gallery ticket. 50 were children's ticket. So we can find adult ticket by subtracting 132 with 50. And we get the result as 82. Then we want to find out the total cost of adult and total cost of children. So, total cost in children's section. Total cost in children's by multiplying 50. In gallery, the cost of one student is 15 or one children is 15. By multiplying 50 with 15, we get 750. Then same as we want to find out total cost in adult. There are 82 adults. For an adult, the rate is 30 rupees. We want to multiply these and get the result 2460. Then we want to find out the total by adding these to adult and children's rate. By adding these two, we get the result 3210. How much money they get in all that day, including gallery and in first class? Total in one day. okay, including gallery. And in first class, in gallery it is 3,210 plus, and from our early session we know that from our first class they got 4,980. By adding these we get 8,190 rupees total in all in one day, including gallery and in first class. This is your homework question. What is hidden? You want to find the product of the given numbers there and find out who is hidden in this picture.